In a busy classroom full of crayons and chatter, there was a boy named Leo. He loved drawing rockets and stars. But today, something made him upset. His friend Mia grabbed the blue crayon without asking. Leo frowned. He wanted to shout, but then he remembered what his teacher had taught him. She called it the pause button. When you feel big emotions, you stop. You take a deep breath, and you think before you act. Leo closed his eyes. He whispered to himself, I feel upset because Mia took the crayon. What can I do that is kind but still honest? He walked to Mia. In a calm voice, he said, I feel upset when you take my crayon without asking. Can you please give it back when you are done? Mia's eyes widened. She did not mean to upset Leo. She smiled and said, Sorry, Leo. I should have asked. Here, you can use it first. Leo felt lighter, like a balloon floating in the sky. He had spoken up without yelling. Mia had listened. No, they were sharing the crayon. They drew rockets together. Stars twinkled all around. That day, Leo learned something important. Emotional intelligence means noticing your feelings, pausing before reacting, and using kind words to solve problems. So, remember kids, when you feel angry, sad, or frustrated, press your pause button. Take a breath. Choose your response. You have the power to create peace and kindness. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like and subscribe for more great stories.